If you're looking for a quick way to set up a self-service HR portal for your team, this is the exact tutorial you need. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire setup process, step by step, no fluff, no filler. And at the end, I'll share an exclusive free trial for the best HR software I found after testing the most popular platforms. It's only available through my channel, so stay with me. First things first, what is a self-service HR portal? It's a centralized space where your team can manage their own HR tasks, from updating personal info to requesting time off, without always having to go through you or your HR rep. It saves time, reduces bottlenecks, and gives your team more control. Start by choosing your HR software. I tested Gusto, Bamboo HR, Zenefits, and a few others. But the one I'm recommending today, the one with the smoothest setup and best self-service tools, is linked below with that free trial I mentioned. Let's use that one for this walkthrough. Once you've signed up, log into the admin dashboard. First, go to the employee settings section. This is where you'll enable self-service access. Look for employee self-onboarding or self-service access. Different tools call it slightly different things, but it's always in the onboarding or user access settings. Enable permissions for the features you want your team to manage on their own. At a minimum, toggle on access to update personal information, view pay stubs, and request time off. You can also give them visibility into benefits, tax documents, and training materials if your company uses those features. Now upload your employee list. You can do this with a CSV file or manually add users one by one. Make sure their email addresses are correct because they'll each get a welcome email with login instructions. Before you invite them, customize the portal a little. Add your company logo, update any welcome text, and upload a few key HR documents like your handbook or policy guidelines. This part adds a professional feel and makes sure your team has everything they need in one place. Now go ahead and send out those invites. Employees will receive a link to set their password and log in. Once inside, they can start using the HR portal right away. From their dashboard, they'll be able to see pay history, make PTO requests, and view any docs you've uploaded. One quick pro tip: set up automated reminders for key tasks like timesheet submissions or benefit enrollment deadlines. Most good HR software will let you schedule those. This helps your team stay on track without you having to chase them down. And that's it. You've just set up a fully functional self-service HR portal for your team in under 5 minutes. Here's the key takeaway. A self-service HR portal doesn't just reduce admin work, it gives your team autonomy and improves accuracy across the board. And with the right software, setting it up is fast, painless, and scalable. To quickly recap: 1. Choose your HR software. I recommend the one linked below. 2. Enable self-service permissions for key tasks. 3. Upload your team's info. 4. Customize the portal. 5. Invite employees and let them log in. 6. Automate reminders to keep everything running smoothly. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it'll let you follow along with everything I showed you today. Thanks for watching. Now go get that HR portal up and running.